Hello students, welcome back. Let's revise shortly about today's content. Our today's point was to find out LCM. Let's study it. Let's revise it once again. I have written here one example. Find the LCM of 8 and 12. We will first solve it horizontally and then I'll show you how to solve it vertically. 8, you have to factorize 8. 2 into 4. Again 2 into 4 split down into 2 into 2. This is final thing. Now there is no any other number which can be splitted for 2. We'll go for 12. 12 is equal to 2 multiplied by 6. Then next step 2 will remain same. 6 will break down into 2 into 3. You cannot go further because 3 is a prime number. So you have to stop here. Now what all are the common terms? 2 and 2. Which one is non-common? 2 and 3. So we have to take all this now. LCM is equal to common ones. You have to take it only once. 2 and 2. This 1 time 2 and this 1 time 2. Now whatever is remaining you have to take it back, multiplied by this single 2 into this single 3. In HCF we were not considering these single terms, but in LCM we have to consider these single terms. Okay, only that much is the difference between HCF and LCM. HCF we were only considering about the common terms. For LCM you have to consider for terms which are not common also. This is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So the LCM of 8 and we'll write it in short form. Learn how to write in short form. LCM of 8 and 12 is equal to 24. This is the final answer. Now we'll take an example for 3 numbers. This was about 2 numbers, 8 and 12. We'll consider second example about 3 numbers. Find the LCM of 5, 6 and 15. It's present in your textbook on page number 19. We'll solve this. Now we will solve this by vertical method. I will show you how to solve by vertical individual method, and also you can bring it everything together in one column itself. First we'll go by partwise. 5. Can you divide it by 2? No. 3? No. 4? No. 5? Yes. So 5 ones are 5. So 5 factorization of 5 is equal to 5 into 1 itself. What about 6? 6 can be broken down by 2. 2 into 3. Again 3 into 1. So 6 is equal to 2 into 3. Okay. We'll turn for 15. 15. Can you go by 2? No. Can you go by 3? Yes. 3 into which number is 15? 3 5s are 15. Then here, can you go by 2? No. 5 doesn't come in table of 2. 3? No. Straight away 5. 5 into 1. So therefore 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Now we'll write this all 3 together. I'll turn the page. 5 is equal to 5 into 1. 6 is equal to 2 into 3 and 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Now which all numbers are common? 5 and 5, but 5 is common between 5 and 15 but not 6. You have to take here 3 and 3, 2 and 1 is not common between anyone. They are individual. Therefore, LCM is equal to 1 time 5 multiplied by 1 time 2 multiplied by 1 time 3 is equal to 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 30. Now how to check out whether your number is correct? Okay, there should be some clarification, some check out between whatever you're solving is correct. This number 30 is divisible by all three numbers, which should be the smallest. That is why it is called as the least common multiple. 5 in the table of 5, does 30 come? Yes, 5 6 are 30. In the table of 6, does 30 come? Yes, 6 5s are 30. And in the table of 15, does 30 come? Yes, 15 2s are 30. Is there any other number less than 30 which can be considered least common multiple? No. 28, 27. These all numbers are not common for all. There should be only one number which is common for the all. This you have to check out if these numbers in that table the answer should exist. For example, in the table of 5 30 comes, yes. In table of 6 30 comes, yes. In table of 15 30 comes, yes. So that is we come to know that whatever we have solved is correct. LCM of 5 6 and 15 is 30. This is our answer. Now I'll teach you how to bring it everything together. We'll take one more example. Find the LCM of 15, 30 and 45. Okay. Now this is a vertical method, not an horizontal method. We'll draw columns. 15, 30 and 45. We'll place them. Do not get confused now. Pay attention properly. One line together. Which is the smallest number which is common between these all? Smallest number. 1 is 2, which is common for 3 but not for 15 and 45. We'll go further. 3, is it common for all? 3 5s are 15, 3 10s are 30. And which number multiplied by 3 will give you 45? 15 3s are is 45. So therefore you can say 3 15s are is also 45. So we'll write here 3. 3 into which number? 3 5s are 15. 3 10s are 30. And 3 15s are is 45. Okay. We'll turn to next step. Second step. 5, 10 and 45. Now you don't have to consider 15, 30 and 45. You will now consider 5, 10 and 15. Let's check for 2. 10 is an even number which is divisible by 2, but 5 and 15 are not divisible by 2. So we'll turn to second number 3. 5 is not divisible by 3. We'll go for 4. 4 is not divisible. Not a single number is divisible by 4. We'll go for 5. Yes, all these numbers are divisible by 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. And 5 3s are 15. Okay. Here we have to stop. Because why? There is no breakdown for 1, no breakdown for 2 and no breakdown for 3 because all these three numbers are prime numbers. So we will stop here. Therefore, LCM is equal to LCM is equal to vertical multiplication as well as horizontal. These numbers 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. You have to go like this as well as like this. Is equal to 3 5s are 15, 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Is equal to 15 into 6 is equal to 90. That is LCM of 15, 30 and 45 is equal to 90. Now cross check. Cross check if our answer is correct. Does 90 come in the table of 15? Yes. Does 90 come in the table of 30? Yes. Does 90 come in the table of 45? Yes. Is there any other number smaller than 90 which is divisible by all three numbers? No. That is answer 90 is correct. LCM is equal to 90. Now when we were solving HCF, this method can be applied for HCF also. Okay, this method can be applied for HCF also. To find out the HCF, you have to just multiply vertically, and to find out LCM vertically as well as horizontally. For example, if I want to find out the HCF of these numbers only, if I consider the same example, HCF is equal to 3 into 5 is equal to 5 3s are 15. HCF means what? This number should be present in these tables. 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45. Okay, and LCM means this answer should be present in the table of this. That's the main difference. For LCM, the answer comes in the table of the original number, and for HCF, the answers table comes the question. Get it? That's so simple. Thank you.